Have you ever worried about what information might be out there about you, especially when it comes to things like a background check for a job or housing? It is natural to feel a bit uneasy, especially if you suspect there might be a mistake. The good news is you have very important rights to dispute an inaccurate report, ensuring that information used to make decisions about you is fair and correct. You absolutely do not have to accept errors on your record. This right is primarily protected by a federal law called the Fair Credit Reporting Act, often referred to as the FCRA. This crucial law is in place to promote the accuracy, fairness, and privacy of information in the files of consumer reporting agencies. It covers background checks, credit reports, and other similar documents that impact your life. To exercise your rights, the first step is always to obtain a copy of the report you believe is inaccurate. Carefully review every detail to pinpoint exactly what information is wrong or outdated. Once you have identified the inaccuracies, gather any documents or evidence you have that proves the information is incorrect, such as court records, pay stubs, or written statements. Next, you will need to send a formal dispute letter to both the consumer reporting agency that provided the report and the original information provider, like a former employer or a landlord. Clearly state what information you are disputing, why it is inaccurate, and include copies of your supporting evidence. It is a good idea to send these letters via certified mail with a return receipt requested, so you have proof of delivery. The FCRA mandates that the consumer reporting agency must investigate your dispute within a specific timeframe, usually 30 days. They are required to forward all relevant data you provide to the information provider, who then must also investigate and report the results back to the agency. If the information is found to be inaccurate, incomplete, or unverifiable, it must be removed or corrected. A key insider tip is to keep meticulous records of everything throughout this process. Document the dates you sent letters, who you spoke with, and any responses you receive. This paper trail is invaluable if further action becomes necessary. Also, remember that you have the right to request that the corrected report be sent to anyone who received the inaccurate version within a certain period, which can be very helpful for job applications. Understanding and actively using your rights to dispute inaccurate information empowers you to correct your record and protect your opportunities. Taking these clear steps ensures that decisions made about your employment, housing, or other important aspects of your life are based on truly accurate information.